I scared the exhaust. This is too long in the water.
No, the exhaust shouldn't be a problem.
So very bad, the road system.